that's what you do. Show me some love. Whip, got it, whip, got it, yeah, got it. SBF, got it.
Hey beauties, if you are new here, my name is Trinity Shantae, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. But today we're going to be getting into a 3-in-1 get ready with me. First off, we're going to start off with my makeup. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer in the color Deep Dark 21W. If you have been watching my videos, you know that I love to highlight, but the base of my highlight is going to be the LA Pro Concealer in the color Fine. So I'm going to use this first, and then I'm going to use a lighter concealer on top just to brighten it up a little bit. This is my favorite bronzer at the moment. It's by Morphe, and it's the Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer in the color Leader. I love this. This is a perfect shade for my skin tone. It's not too red. It's not too muddy. It's just perfect. So now it's time for me to highlight. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the color Caramel. I'm going to put it on the place that I want to highlight, and then I'm going to let it sit just so it can just thicken up a little bit and give me the best coverage. Okay, so when I tell you this is the best nude lipstick I have found so far, this is Morphe liquid lipstick, and it's in the color True Story. Oh my god, this tone of nude is the best color for us brown girls. You gotta pick it up. Set my concealer, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder and translucent honey. Now this powder, I love it so much. Right now I just have the sample version of it, but I will be purchasing the full size of it when I get done with this, because this powder is bomb. Okay, it's bomb. It doesn't leave any flashback or anything like that, and it's not too white for my skin tone. I just love it. Alright, so we're about to get into the hair. Now this is like my throw-on wig, y'all, but it is so cute. It is a nice cute little bob. Okay, it's so cute, and it's very manageable, and it's very easy to put on. I just put it on and then add a little concealer to the part, and that's all I do. And oh, also I used a little Nairobi set-in mousse just to put at the top, just to let it, you know, make it lay a little flat. So to set off my outfit, I'm going to add a gold watch that I actually got from JCPenney's, and then a gold bangle to set it off. And then I have a brown fedora that I got from the store called Windsor. And I have some flats that are, in my opinion, Hermes inspired from Shoe Carnival. And the fragrance of the day is YSL Palm Maris. And yes, this is the outfit of the day. This is my get ready with me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do not forget to stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.